Hello guys, welcome in my show Popular Academy Biology. Today we will discuss the second topic in evolution. First topic evolution में we will discuss about the origin of life, and in second lecture of evolution we will discuss the different pattern of evolution. Evolution is a very important topic in biology for any type of competitive exam, especially NEET and other competitive exam. And today we will discuss the different pattern of evolution. And in this video lecture we will discuss divergent evolution, convergent evolution and parallel evolution. So the different pattern of evolution are divergent evolution, convergent evolution and parallel evolution. Firstly, we will discuss divergent evolution, and this divergent evolution mainly studied with the help of study of homologous organ. These homologous organ generally shows same structure, similar in structure but differ in function. Thus the homologous organ are those organs which are similar in structure but they have different function. Those organs which are different in function but similar in structure are homologous organ, and by using these organs we will clearly explain divergent evolution, which is termed as adaptive radiation. Now in this divergent evolution, first of all we will study the evolution or origin of wings of bat, horse leg, human forelimb of cheetah. They have a common point of evolution. Source of origin of evolution is one point, and they diverge in different direction for different functioning. But all these wings of bat, horse leg or human forelimb have similar pattern of skeleton, that is humerus, radius, ulna and other type of basic bone. So this is the most common example of divergent evolution. Another example of divergent evolution is Darwin finches. Darwin finches are the birds present in Galapagos Islands observed by Darwin. These birds are originated from a common ancestor, and due to different type of habitat, different type of fooding habit, these finches shows modification in their beak. Darwin finches mainly shows modification in their beak. Some have smaller beak, other have larger beak, and some other have moderate beak. So different finches like in Darwin, like small tree finch, medium tree finch, large tree finch, small ground finch, medium ground finch, large ground finch. These are also example of divergent evolution of adaptive radiation, Darwin finches. Another example of divergent evolution is marsupial radiations. Marsupial are specialized mammals common in Australia which have marsupial gland for nutrition of young ones. These marsupial radiations are observed in tiger cat, marsupial rat, Tasmanian wolf, koala, kangaroo, bandicoot are a type of rat. So they have a common origin, they have a common character known as marsupial pouch, but in different habitat they develop different type of characters. Similar type of adaptive radiation or divergent evolution is observed in placental mammals, placental radiation. The example are wolf, rabbit, deer, anteater. And another example are modification of fruit like potato and ginger, modification of axillary bud modified in bougainvillea and make thorn, and in case of cucurbita this bud make tendril. So bougainvillea thorn and cucurbita tendril is another example of homologous organ. Thus by using these examples, Darwin finches, marsupial radiation, placental radiation, different forelimbs, we will explain adaptive radiation or divergent evolution. So clear है concept divergent evolution का. Now we will discuss another evolution known as convergent evolution. This convergent evolution is also termed as adaptive convergence. This convergent evolution is mainly studied by studying the analogous organ. What are analogous organ? those organs which are different in structure but they are similar in function are called analogous organ. These analogous organs are different from homologous organ. So convergent evolution mainly converge in different direction but they meet at a common point. For example, the wings of butterfly and wings of birds both have same function in flight, wings, but both wings are different in structure. As butterfly invertebrate, their wings are not supported by skeleton, but the wings of birds are supported by bony skeleton. So this is an example of convergent evolution. Another example is eye of octopus and eye of mammal. In both the eye, the light receiving cells, pigment cells are present, but they have common function, but their structure is different because the eye of mammal has blind spot, but the eye of octopus have no any blind spot. Another example of convergent evolution is flipper of dolphin and flipper of penguin. Penguin is flightless bird and dolphin is aquatic mammal. Both are used for swimming but different in structure. Another example is trunk of elephant and forelimb of man. Both these are different in structure but they have same function. Another example from plant group is sweet potato is a root and potato is a stem. Both have different origin, different structure, but the common function of sweet potato and potato is that storage of food. So these wings of butterfly and bird, eyes of octopus and mammal, flipper of dolphin and penguin, trunk of elephant and forelimb of man, sweet potato and potato are the common example of convergent evolution and analogous organ. It is termed as adaptive convergence. So we will study divergent evolution, convergent evolution, and now we will discuss the parallel evolution. This parallel evolution is totally different from divergent and convergent evolution, and in this parallel evolution the most common example is running habit of different mammal like deer and horse. To study the parallel evolution, we will discuss the different example of placental mammal and marsupials. For example, common neck burrow in which the placental mammal is mole, and parallelly in marsupial there is development of marsupial mole. So mole and marsupial mole are parallelly evolved in India and Australia. Another example is anteater and nimbat. These are common in India, these are common in Australia. So these animals are common example of parallel evolution. So today we will discuss the different pattern of evolution in the topic evolution, that is divergent evolution, convergent evolution and parallel evolution. Different type of MCQ questions, options are given in different competitive exam to confuse the students. So if your concept is clear, you will clearly attempt the different pattern of evolution and don't have any type of confusion. Please like, subscribe and share my video and channel. Thank you.